The Lodge cast iron wedge pan is a game changer for those who crave perfectly portioned, crusty baked treats. Whether you're a home baker looking for the ultimate edge piece or a culinary enthusiast aiming to impress guests with beautifully baked creations, this pan offers versatility, durability, and unmatched performance. In this detailed review, we'll explore every aspect of the Lodge cast iron wedge pan to help you decide if it's the right addition to your kitchen. Why choose the Lodge cast iron wedge pan? Here's why the Lodge cast iron wedge pan stands out among competitors. 1. Ease of use. From the pre-seasoned surface to its easy grip handles, the pan is designed for convenience. 2. Versatility. Bake a wide range of recipes including cornbread, biscuits, frittatas, and more. 3. Aesthetic appeal. The pan's rustic charm makes it suitable for serving directly from oven to table. 4. Health benefits. Cooking with cast iron can increase the iron content in your food, offering a subtle health boost. Exceptional design for versatile baking. The Lodge cast iron wedge pan boasts an 8-impression design, making it ideal for baking individual servings of cornbread, scones, brownies, or even savory quiches. Each wedge is perfectly shaped to ensure uniformity, meaning every piece is as visually appealing as it is delicious. Perfect portion control. The wedge pan eliminates the hassle of slicing or dividing baked goods, ensuring consistency in size and presentation. Edge-to-edge crispiness. Thanks to its superior heat distribution, every slice gets that golden brown crust coveted by baking enthusiasts. Unparalleled heat distribution and retention. When it comes to baking, even heat distribution is critical, and the Lodge cast iron wedge pan excels in this area. The high-quality cast iron material ensures that your baked goods cook uniformly from edge to center, avoiding any raw spots or uneven browning. Consistent results. Whether you're baking sweet or savory dishes, the pan's heat retention ensures each slice is perfectly done. Energy efficiency. The cast iron retains heat longer, which means you can cook at lower temperatures without sacrificing quality. Seasoned and ready to use. One of the standout features of the Lodge cast iron wedge pan is its pre-seasoned surface, which comes seasoned with 100% natural vegetable oil. This makes the pan ready to use right out of the box, saving you time and effort. Non-stick surface. The natural seasoning provides a non-stick finish, reducing the need for excessive greasing and making cleanup effortless. Improves over time. With proper care, the seasoning improves, enhancing both the non-stick properties and the flavor of your dishes. Durable and heirloom quality. The Lodge cast iron wedge pan is built to last, offering unmatched durability that stands the test of time. Unlike pans made from other materials, cast iron doesn't dent, warp, or bend, even under high heat. How to care for your Lodge cast iron wedge pan. To maintain the quality and performance of your pan, proper care is essential. Here are some tips. Cleaning. Avoid using soap. Instead, clean with warm water and a stiff brush. Drying. Always dry your pan thoroughly to prevent rust. Reseasoning. Apply a light coat of vegetable oil after each use to maintain the non-stick surface. Storage. Store in a dry place and avoid stacking heavy items on top of it. Perfect recipes for the Lodge cast iron wedge pan. Here are some quick and delicious recipe ideas to try. 1. Classic cornbread. Achieve the perfect golden crust with every wedge. 2. Decadent brownies. Add chocolate chips for an indulgent treat. 3. Savory frittatas. Customize with your favorite vegetables and cheese. 4. Mini pies. Sweet or savory, these are sure to impress. Conclusion, a must-have for every kitchen. The Lodge cast iron wedge pan is more than just a baking tool. It's a kitchen essential that combines functionality, durability, and timeless design. Whether you're a novice baker or a seasoned chef, this pan is sure to elevate your culinary creations. Its American craftsmanship, eco-friendly materials, and versatile applications make it a worthwhile investment for any home cook. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.